Hello and welcome to the Nailington's review of these Rockin Claws nail decals sent to me by thehowstore.com. All the details are listed below along with the links and the pricing. So here's some examples of the decals they've sent. So we've got the kitty silhouettes. This one's called Galaxies Apart, but there's just various planets. This one's Mandela patterns. Then we've got some Peter Pan silhouettes, which are super cute. I can't wait to try these ones. Rockin' Robins. And this is called Knitter, but it's crazy patterns. And some Christmas jumpers, but these might be a little bit out of season at the moment. So I thought for today's review, I am going to try out the kitty silhouettes because we love cats and we've just got some new kittens, so there we go. For today's review, I have already painted my nails with the selection of colors you can see here. This one is Pit Stop by Mariam. This one is C3355 from their limited edition Christmas collection for boots. This is Silver by 17 at Boots, and then we are going to be top coating the nails lastly with Sesh Feet. So now we will go into how to use the decals. So the instructions on the back of the packet say, number 1, ensure your nails are clean and you have already applied your nail polish if you are using one as a base coat. 2, cut out your water slide decal as close to the edge of the image as possible. Nail scissors work great. 3, place your transfer in room temperature water for about 30 to 60 seconds or until the image slides off the backing paper. 4, slip your nail decal off from the backing paper and carefully apply it to your nails. Ensure the image sits flat and all the wrinkles have been removed. 5, seal with a top coat of clear varnish. Now go and show off your awesome Rockin Claws. Okay, I quickly ran and got, say, a pair of nail scissors and also a small bowl that's been molded by using acetone in it. Don't put acetone in small plastic bowls, it will melt them. And I have put some water into this bowl, so I'm just going to move that to the side for a second and break into the decals. There we go. That's how they look. Super shiny. So I'm going to cut the first little kitten out. Really carefully. Because not only are these nail scissors super sharp, but there is barely any room in between the decal and the next decal, or the print of the decal. So as it says in the instructions, cut really close to the thing. This could get a little bit fiddly, I suppose. Oh, I nearly chopped his ear off. Whoops. I can't be trusted with these, clearly. Okay. And then when I get my bowl, I'll pop that in there. And then in the meantime, I will start cutting out the next cat. Okay, now that the kitties have been in there for a while, I'm just going to see if they slide off. So hopefully yeah, that worked fine. Just going to put the water burgers back on, so hopefully Okay. Then oh, that stuck down onto my finger much faster than I was anticipating, so I'm going to try and... Whoops, there we go. Back on, try and position it a bit better. There we go. First kitty is on the nail. We have our next kitty. Position that nicely. The nail. And pat it down. I'll just move that out the way so that makes it easier. So. That was pretty straightforward. So now I'm going to let those dry off just a little bit and then put the top coat on and see how they look. So there we go, this is the finished result. Overall, I think they worked really well. They're really easy to use. I've had some decals in the past that have kind of, when I've gone through the water process, they would not stick to the nail, and so they kept sliding off and you couldn't pat them down, but these ones seem to be fine. The only thing I would say is this little one here. Perhaps I left him in the water too long, or her in the water too long, I don't know. But you can see, and when I put the top coat on, the top of the little ear came off, but I have a feeling this is possibly my fault for leaving it in the water too long, and this is what happens, whereas all of the other ones, especially this one, seem to have come across perfectly fine. So overall, really impressed. I will post these to my Instagram. There's links to all the social media below. And obviously the rest of the decals I will try over time and see what I can do and create with those. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please take the thumbs up, it really helps, and if you're feeling super generous, please subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for watching.